Welcome to the kingdom, everybody. Right now, I'm about to show you and prove to you that you can make over $200 a day in the stock market. I'm getting ready to make this trade right here. This is the Dow Jones. We are going to sell a put when it hits my line. Now let's see if we can get up there. It's almost there. We need another 5 points. So hopefully we hit it before it turns around. So we're just going to wait patiently. This is a game of patience. Let's see if we can get this up to 22, which it might turn around right here. We might not have had a chance. Hopefully it pops up to our line. When it comes to day trading, number one trait that you need is patience and also a good psychological viewpoint of the markets. 95% of the people do lose money. It's very easy to lose money. You can blow up 10, 20 accounts in a matter of weeks. So we're going to be patient and see if it hits our line. If not, we just move on. There's actually 40 minutes left in the trading day. And this looks like we are not going to hit our line. But let's see how it plays out. It could reverse on us. Like that right there, a nice little reversal. It's coming to the top. And I'm going to go heavy on this. I'm going 8 contracts in. Couple more ticks. It's definitely taking its time before it hits. Let's see if it can push up a little bit more. 5 more ticks, 4 more, 3 more. Okay, it has to hit it on this candle. Or if I go down, let me go down to I should have just, I'm thinking about just getting in. Lower the amount that I'm putting in. And then if it bounces back up, I can just add more, which I think that's what I'm going to do. Because I am missing out. I could have been in on 22. Now we're down to 15. See, I'm missing out big. If it breaks here, I'm just going to get in. If it breaks, I'm going to say 13. I'll just get in. I wanted to get in up to here at 23, 24, 25. Let's see if I get that opportunity. And it looks like yeah, it looked like it hit. So I just bought 4 contracts to the downside. And let's see how this plays out. Played out wrong. So I'm going to sell 4 more. That's a big candle right there. That's a big candle. And what I can do is sell 8 more if I have to. So I'll put another 5,000 in this trade, because that was a big move. Right now I'm down $500. Oh yeah, looks like the market's really pushing. Wow. Look at that candle. Something just happened. Something just happened. Let's see what the NASDAQ is doing. NASDAQ popped. I'm going to sell one NASDAQ. I missed it. Yeah, I missed that one. All right. That was a big move up. I wonder what news came out. We're 7 minutes into this trade. I'm down $1,000. Let's be patient. Okay, it's falling. Let's see if we can get it down to the yellow line here, which would be 45. That would put us into profit. Now it looks like it wants to try to push up in reverse. We just needed one good solid push down. Looks like we're not going to get that. Let's see what the next 1 minute candle is. There it is right there. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go up, so we're going to hit the SPY. We'll do the NASDAQ. We'll go in heavy for contracts. Let's see if we can make something on the upside to cover our $1,200 loss on this. What we can do is just scalp this here to try to make this money. This looks like it wants to go up right here. And the Dow, I see how that Dow is jumping. I think we're going to record this into the close. We have 30 minutes. Let's see how this plays out for the next 30 minutes. If we can get this back up into the 70s, I'll buy some more. All right, there's our next 5-minute candle. I'm looking for a push to the downside, so I'm going to do 16 more. We really have to break that blue line right there. Okay, we're up on the NASDAQ. We were up on it. We were up $200 right there. Okay, like I told you, we just scalped this into the close. Okay, we'll take that 160. We're taking big losses here, 56, 80. We're going to take another 16. This is our last 16 this is our last bit right here. That's it. We can't go in anymore. So let's see if we can just keep scalping. Let's see what the market is doing right here in FinVid. Okay, the market just popped up good. Hold on a second. Major drop. $2,500. That's what it takes to be patient. $4,000. There you go. I want 4,000. I'm out. If it pushes up past me, I'm out. There you go. 4,100. 4,160. $4,160. Still dropping down to our line here. That was a beautiful play. 32 contracts. I went all in on this overbought territory. Still dropping. Oh, that's a $6,000 trade right there. Still dropping. Let's go to the 1 minute, see what it looks like. Nice drop. Wow. So you saw me scalp the first one, which was $160. Got in on this one, $4,160. $4,300 on the day. We are pushing 12 minutes in. Pushing 20 minutes in. You have a little reversal right there. So the NASDAQ's not doing nothing. We made our money in the Dow. 20 minutes in. $4,300. This is the kingdom. If you have been watching this, you have seen every day that we pull anywhere from $200 to $4,300 all in 10, 20 minutes. Now, if you need to break this cycle, if you're living in poverty, if you're trying to escape the rat race, this is the place that God has called you to be. This is the kingdom. And I'm going to show you how to do this through a business and through the stock market. You have to have both. The greatest thing is to have real estate along with it. If you have that trifecta, then it's almost impossible for you to lose. But I specialize in the stocks, and I own my own business. I need you to remember what God said in His Word. Seek first the kingdom, and everything else will be added unto you. This is how we do it over on this side. So I need you to go out there and create a kingdom business.